Steel is a type of alloy made from iron and carbon, and its invention had a profound impact on the world. Steel has been used for a wide range of applications, including construction, transportation, weapons, and manufacturing. Here are some ways steel has changed the world. Stronger structures. Steel is a very strong material, and its use in construction has allowed for the creation of taller and larger buildings. Steel is also used in bridges, tunnels, and other infrastructure projects. Increased industrial production. Steel is a key material in manufacturing and has been used to create machinery, tools, and vehicles. The widespread availability of steel made it possible to produce goods on a larger scale, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Improved transportation. The use of steel in transportation has revolutionized the way people and goods are moved. Steel is used in cars, trucks, trains, ships, and airplanes, making them more durable, efficient, and safe. More advanced weaponry. The development of steel alloys led to the creation of stronger and more durable weapons, including swords, guns, and cannons. This had a significant impact on warfare and helped shape the course of history. As for improvements to steel, ongoing research and development are focused on improving the strength, durability, and environmental impact of steel production. One promising area of research is the development of new alloys that are stronger and lighter than traditional steel. Additionally, efforts are being made to reduce the carbon footprint of steel production by using renewable energy sources and implementing more efficient production methods.